Sure, dealing with and a strong turbocharged motor are normal from a BMW sports vehicle, and the 2022 Z4 convertible conveys simply that. Be that as it may, a piece of its allure likewise lies in its upscale lodge, which is sufficiently agreeable to act as a day-to-day driver. The base motor offered is an enthusiastic turbocharged 4-chamber, while a twin super inline-six can be found in the racier M40i model. All Z4s are back tire drive and utilize an 8-speed program transmission that is tuned for lively driving for all intents and purposes for expressway cruising. Dealing with isn't Porsche Boxster sharp, however it's sufficiently nearby regardless bounty fun on a twisty street. The Z4 is just presented as a softtop convertible, yet, in the event that you'd lean toward a hardtop roadster, investigate the precisely comparative Toyota Supra, which was created close by the BMW. The Z4 is similarly as it was last year, however surrounding lighting is at this point not norm and remote cell phone charging is as of now not a choice. The driving assistance bundle has been taken out from the convenience and premium bundles and is presently an independent choice bundle. At its base value, the 2022 Z4 Drive 30i is an unquestionable worth. It costs extensively not exactly its fundamental adversary, the Porsche Boxster, and it offers a very sizable amount of presentation for most purchasers. You can likewise dress it up with the M Sport kit, which adds a M Sport suspension for better taking care of and dials up its appearance all around with a streamlined body unit and M Sport controlling wheel. Bigger 19-inch haggles are likewise accessible, and BMW offers the dynamic handling bundle, which adds bigger M Sport slows down and its M Sport differential for extra foothold. Your new Z4 actually will not speed up like the substantially more remarkable M40i, yet it'll be more than fast enough. Each 2022 Z4 has an 8-speed program transmission with sport mode as well as manual mode. Paddle shifters mounted to the directing wheel are additionally standard. Truth be told, for the initial time, the BMW Z4 isn't accessible with the conventional manual transmission with the grasp pedal. You won't miss it. The 8-speed is one of the most outstanding automatics around with sharp reactions, smart moves, and smooth activity. The Drive 30 is fueled by the brand's superb turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-chamber that makes a lot of force and 255 torque. In our testing, this model advanced quickly to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. That is fast, however it's somewhat more slow than a Porsche Boxster, which is as yet accessible with the manual gearbox. For more snort, the M40i model gets a 382 HP twin turbocharged inline-six. It's unquestionably smooth and refined, and it transforms the Z4 into a super-fast sports vehicle with a 0 to 60 mph season of simply 3.8 seconds. That is faster than the 350 HP Porsche Boxster S. With its excellent exhibition, it might astonish you that the Z4 is one of the most eco-friendly games vehicles in its group. The mileage of the Z4 Drive 30i is evaluated by the EPA to be 25 mpg city and 32 mpg on the roadway. In our testing, the two models recorded 20 mpg in blended driving. Sadly, the two motors require more costly premium gas, and the Z4 has a little fuel tank, so its fuel range isn't broad. Expect around 300 miles of expressway driving between each top-off. Just like with all ongoing BMWs, the Z4 has an extremely great inside. It might have the best inside in this class. As a matter of fact, it highlights luxury materials, outstanding board fitment, and amazing control arrangement. A gigantic 10.3-inch touchscreen is standard alongside root and free Apple CarPlay mix. Android Auto capacity isn't accessible. The most recent emphasis of BMW's iDrive framework is not difficult to use, with sharp illustrations. The framework can likewise be controlled naturally with a handle and fastens on the Z4's control center or with voice orders. A USB port and Bluetooth streaming sound are likewise standard, despite the fact that you need to pay extra for Sirius XM satellite radio. BMW's guarantee is normal for the Porsche. Notwithstanding, its freebook support inclusion is a champion. Such projects are not presented with its opponents, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class and the Porsche 718 Boxster.